Okay, so if you'd like to configure widgets, it's a varying kind of thing to do. And so it really depends on whichever widget you add here. For example, the news article here, this is pulling from the news module. And so I can't click this little gear symbol and start editing this or anything like that. I actually have to go to the news, either the news posting or the news module and edit this. But generally, each of these widgets will come with these three buttons here, and they actually allow for how this widget is going to behave. For example, this little cancel button will delete the widget. This little pencil will change the widget styling, and the little gear symbol will actually configure the widget settings. So let me click the little pencil, and you'll see the layout of this widget and the background transparency. So the layout is generally how the widget looks. Let me change that from custom to custom 2. And now you'll see this widget has a black header bar. And if I go ahead and give this a title, you'll see the text is orange with a black bar, whereas this one, this custom one, the text is black with an orange bar. So the pencil is really for configuring how the layout of this widget is. There's custom and custom 2, which are your default, the colors you chose when you signed on with us. There's boxless. Let's go ahead and take a look at boxless. So there is no box, just a title. There's also titleless, which will actually remove the title altogether. And instead, when I hover over this, you'll see I get the same three buttons here. Only appears whenever I hover over this. We also have basic panel, which is just a basic gray box there. Okay, so that's how we configure the widget styling. And also, each of these will have the little gear symbol there. So if I click on the news gear symbol, you see I have all these widget settings that really dabble with how the information is being displayed. But for this text box here, I get the editor that pops up and I can start configuring what goes inside of here. So it really depends on the widget that you add here, uh, and that'll actually change the widget settings and the widget configurations for it.